My name is Brian Lee, and this is my device prototype of safe cooking for kids. User research has shown that children just learning to cook often forget to turn off the stove after they're done cooking. This is particularly a problem when the stove is left on, as it could potentially start a fire. For this problem, we asked, is there a better way to remind children to turn off the stove? To answer this question, we developed a concept in which an alarm will sound and alert the child if he or she walks away from the stove a certain amount of feet. We then built a low-fidelity prototype to evaluate the feasibility, desirability, and usability of the concept. The prototype consists of a battery, a light sensor, an MP3 player, and a speaker. It works by emitting a voice stating, "Warning, please turn off stove," if someone passes between the light sensor and a separate light source. The prototype successfully works when a child walks 10 feet away from the stove, but it needs more work to know exactly when it is a child walking away. The prototype seems to be feasible, as it is practical to attach a sensor to a stove that can alert children leaving the kitchen, although it would be difficult for the sensor to distinguish with others walking through the kitchen that aren't there to cook. It also appears that the concept would be desirable for not just the children but also for the parents, as it is a safety measure for the house to not burn down. Finally, the concept's usability could be improved because the prototype currently does not take into consideration who is passing through the kitchen and who is using it. Overall, we recommend to our company that this concept be tested further by implementing Bluetooth and notification capabilities to the parent's phone as an extra safety measure.